Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download ADT app to configure cellular backup alerts, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download the ADT app, start by unlocking your mobile device. Open the App Store on your device. For iOS users, tap on the App Store icon. For Android users, tap on the Google Play Store icon. In the search bar, type ADT and press enter. Look for the official ADT app in the search results. Make sure the app is developed by ADT LLC. Tap on the app icon to open its page. On the app page, you will see an option to download. For iOS, tap on Get. For Android, tap on Install. Once the app is downloaded, wait for it to install. After installation, open the ADT app by tapping on its icon. If prompted, allow the app to access necessary permissions. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your profile. Navigate to the Settings menu within the app. Locate the option for Cellular Backup Alerts. Enable this feature to receive alerts on your device. Adjust any additional notification settings to your preference. Once everything is set, you are ready to use the app. Test the cellular backup alerts to ensure they work correctly. You have now successfully downloaded the ADT app and configured your alerts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.